Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple cobbler. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then wash the apples and core and chop them. And it's up to you if you want to peel the apples too. Then place the apples into a large mixing bowl. Then add in the sugar and mix them together until they're combined. You can add some cinnamon to this too if you like. The recipe doesn't call for it, but it's up to you. Then grease an 8-inch square baking pan with non-stick cooking spray. Then pour the apples into the pan, and then set it aside for now. Then in a medium bowl, add in the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. And mix the ingredients until they're combined. Then add in the cold cubed butter and rub it into the flour mixture using your fingers. You don't want to make fine crumbs, you still want big chunks. Then add in the eggs and vanilla extract and mix them in using a fork until they're combined. Then add spoonfuls of the mixture all over the top of the apples. Then bake it in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes or until the top turns a light golden brown color. Then once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for about 10 minutes. And it's best served while it's still warm. And you can add a scoop of ice cream to the top too if you like. And that's how to make apple cobbler. Check out my channel for more amazing recipes and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.